Before time existed, before space stretched even a single atom, before the first whisper of light pierced the void, what was there? Not stars blazing in eternal fire, not darkness, a comforting shroud, not even nothing, no empty canvas waiting for creation. Here's the terrifying part, the one that keeps cosmologists awake at night. According to physics, the universe did not begin inside time. Time itself erupted into being after the Big Bang. It was born in that cataclysmic flash 13.8 billion years ago, when all matter, energy, and possibility exploded from a singularity hotter than a trillion suns. So asking what happened before the Big Bang might be like asking what's north of the North Pole, or what's louder than silence. The question dissolves into nonsense because before requires time, and time hadn't clocked in yet. In this video, we're going to stare straight into the edge of reality. We'll venture where math fractures like glass under pressure, where logic twists into paradoxes that mock our brains, and even Einstein's elegant equations, those pillars of certainty, crumple and fail. We'll probe the Planck epoch, that infinitesimal sliver of the first 10 to the minus 43 seconds, where quantum foam bubbled and gravity danced with uncertainty. If you blink, you'll miss the moment where existence itself almost doesn't make sense, teetering on the brink of why and how, brushing against the infinite unknown. Buckle up, the cosmos is about to get weird.
Breaks your brain. Hold on tight. Let's zoom in, way in, until the familiar crumbles. 1 second. That's your heartbeat, a coffee sip, the blink of an eye. Now carve it up. Slice that second into a million shards, each a fleeting whisper. Then a billion, finer than sand on a beach. A trillion, dust motes in a sunbeam. Keep going. A trillion trillion. That's 10 to the minus 43 seconds, Planck time. The universe's atomic tick, the smallest meaningful interval before everything loses its grip. This is as close as we dare creep to the beginning, that Big Bang singularity 13.8 billion years back. Push one Planck tick earlier, and reality doesn't just bend, it dissolves into pure math chaos, a storm of infinities where equations scream and scatter. At this scale, distance? Laughable. A foam of jittering loops 10 to the minus 35 meters across, where here and there smear into maybe. Cause and effect, they tangle like lovers in a fever dream, probability ruling the dance. The universe isn't a grand machine anymore. It's quantum froth, bubbles of space-time popping, birthing, vanishing in eternal flux. Not vast, not tiny, just undefined, a haze of potential, whispering, what if you are the glitch in this foam? Breathe deep. Your next second just got infinite.
Why this actually matters to you. Listen, this isn't some dusty lecture hall riddle floating untethered in the void. This is the thread that stitches you into the cosmos. Right now, in the quiet hum of your veins, atoms whirl, carbon etched in stellar crucibles, oxygen breathed from supernova hearts. Those stars, they weren't always lone wanderers. They coalesced from the Big Bang's afterglow, a plasma haze of hydrogen and helium cooling over eons into the first glittering nurseries. Trace it back. That primordial soup, it spilled from the expansion's first gasp 13.8 billion years ago. Tweak one variable, a hotter singularity, a slower stretch, a quantum hiccup in the foam, and the chain snaps. No clumping gas clouds, no fusion-forged suns, no rocky worlds orbiting in Goldilocks grace, no spark of carbon-based life, no evolution's slow grind from slime to sentience, no you pondering this screen at 2 a.m., heart beating in sync with ancient light. Every inhale, it's recycled starlight laced with the universe's opening act. Whatever cradled that bang, multiverse bubble, cyclic bounce, or the unknowable beyond, it's the ghost in your bones. Not trivia, not abstraction. This is your origin story, etched in equations and stardust. What if the before whispers secrets that rewrite you? The cosmos didn't just happen. It chose, wildly, improbably, to dream you into being. What will you do with that fire?
The twist. Time might not be fundamental. Buckle up. This is where the rabbit hole spirals into the absurd and your grip on now starts to slip. Forget the ticking clock. Some of the sharpest minds in physics, Carlo Rovelli, Julian Barber, whisper a heresy. Time isn't carved into reality's bedrock. It's emergent, a clever illusion spun from deeper threads, like temperature rising from the frantic jig of atoms in a gas. Zoom in close enough, and heat? It's just chaos, no thermometer in sight. No hot without the collective frenzy. Time's the same sly trick. At the quantum bedrock, the frothy Planck foam where Big Bang secrets simmer, there might be no arrow, no yesterday bleeding into tomorrow, no past regrets, no future dreams, just timeless relations, particles entangled in eternal nows, geometries linking without sequence. Space-time emerges later, like frost on a window from unseen breath. So that nagging before the Big Bang, it evaporates. Before begs a timeline, a linear march, and if time's just a shadow play, the question's a ghost chasing its tail. We're not peering back to origins, we're unraveling the illusion that we're even moving. What if eternity's already here and you're the one who dreams the clock?
Extreme scenarios. Imagine if. Close your eyes. Feel the pulse of eternity. What if the Big Bang wasn't a one-shot wonder? What if it's a cosmic heartbeat? Thump, gasp, fade, crush, repeat. Picture it. Our universe blooms in a roar of fire and light, galaxies unfurling like petals in the dawn. Expansion accelerates, stars burn to ash, entropy wins in a whimpering heat death, cold, dark, forever stretched thin. Then, gravity rebels, space folds inward, a trillion-year implosion, crushing matter to quantum dust, singularity reborn. Boom, another bang. The same laws, the same you, or echoes remixed. Cycles upon cycles, an infinite loop where beginning is just a pause between breaths. Eternal recurrence. Nietzsche would smirk. Or zoom out further, way out. What if our cosmos is a soap bubble in an ocean of foam, a multiverse frothing eternally, each pop a new reality? One bubble, gravity too weak, stars never ignite. Another, electrons repel, no atoms cling. Constants tweaked, Planck's how a hair off, light speed a whisper faster, and poof, lifeless voids, chaotic soups. Billions of flops for every fluke. Ours? The jackpot. Carbon chains that knit life, orbits that cradle worlds, minds that dare to wonder. Not destiny, not design, just dice rolling in the dark. Statistical sorcery. You, a winning streak in the void's casino. What odds would you bet on that? The biggest confusion, solved simply. Ah, the eternal itch. If every effect whispers of a cause, like dominoes coupling in an endless chain, what lit the fuse on the Big Bang? What god, glitch, or ghost kicked off the whole shebang? Here's the razor-sliced truth served cold. Causality? It might be a fairy tale we tell ourselves. That neat arrow, push here, pop there, it's glued to time's relentless tick. But rewind to the bang's brink, and time? It hasn't punched the clock. No before, no sequence, no cosmic why demanding a because. It's like grilling a fish on what swims upstream of the ocean. Peer deeper into the quantum underbelly we can touch, particles ghosting from vacuum fizz, electrons and quarks borrowing existence on a whim, vanishing without a bill. No trigger finger, no grand architect's blueprint, just probability's shrug. Why not? The universe? Same wild card. Not sparked by some prime mover, not etched in Feat's ledger, just allowed, a fluctuation in the nothing that isn't, blooming because the math permits it. No cause to chase, only wonder to embrace.
What if you are the uncaused spark in this vast permission slip?
What we still don't know. We're on the hunt, aren't we? Not with spears or starships, but with the scalpels of science, slicing into the unknown. Quantum gravity, a fever dream where Einstein's curves tangle with Heisenberg's haze, seeking the glue that binds the infinitesimal to the infinite. String theory, reality as vibrating threads in 11 dimensions, plucking symphonies from the void. Loop quantum cosmology, space-time woven in tiny, unbreakable loops, no singularities, just a bounce from contraction to bang. And the cosmic microwave background, that faint hiss in the sky, a fossil glow from 380,000 years post-bang, whispering clues in temperature ripples, hunting echoes of inflation or multiverse bruises. These models tease wild visions, a universe without a birthday, timeless and self-sustaining, or one sparked by a quantum hiccup, a nothing that was something, fluctuating into everything. Eternal, perhaps, inflating forever in a froth of bubbles, ours just one lucky pop. But here's the raw, unvarnished truth. We don't know. Not the before, not the why, not the full script. And that's no defeat. It's the siren call of the frontier. Sharpen our telescopes, tune our colliders, and reality? It winks back, fuller of surprises than we dared dream. The universe isn't solved. It's inviting us to play. What's your next guess? Closing the loop. Remember that first shiver of a question? The one that hooked us at the start? What was there before the Big Bang? We chased it through quantum mazes, balloon analogies, and brain-melting scales. We peeled back myths, stared down singularities, and flirted with eternal cycles and multiverse gambles. But now, after the whirlwind, here's the quiet revelation. Physics doesn't dangle a tidy something just out of reach. It doesn't tease a hidden room behind the curtain. No, it turns the mirror on us. The question? It might be the glitch, fractured at its core, like demanding the square root of a dream. Before assumes a timeline we can't borrow from a realm where time's just a latecomer to the party. The Big Bang isn't a locked door begging for the key. It's the frayed edge of our map, ink bleeding into fog where equations whisper, not yet, and logic packs its bags. Beyond that brink, not answers but ignition, the spark for the next revolution. Telescopes piercing deeper, colliders smashing harder, minds like yours linking dots into new constellations. The universe didn't end the story. It handed you the pen. What wild beyond will you draw? The universe didn't just give birth to stars and galaxies. It forged something fiercer, questions. Not the tame ones about weather or Wi-Fi passwords, but the bone-deep riddles that claw at the foundations of everything we call real. Why this vastness, this fragile blue dot, this flicker of consciousness in the dark? Queries that unravel the threads of time, space, and self, leaving us dangling over abysses where certain dissolves like mist. And here's the wildest spark, the one that ignites the void. The universe isn't just out there, indifferent and immense. It's peering inward, through you. That electric storm between your ears, that one relentless question echoing in the quiet hours. It's the cosmos's secret project. Billions of years of expansion, collapse, or eternal hum, all funneling to this, a single mind teetering at time's ragged edge, daring to ask, am I the answer? If even a sliver of this, that singularity's echo in your thoughts has cracked your world open, just a hair, you know the move. Pause, ponder, let it simmer, and drop it in the comments. Beginning or boundless? Did the bang kick it off, or has it always thrummed, waiting for you to listen?